How to delete Facebook highlight. So if you want to delete your Facebook highlight, maybe you've uploaded it in less than 24 hours and you want to take it down. So you don't want Facebook to take down the highlight itself. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can delete or remove your Facebook highlight. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove or delete Facebook highlights, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook app. Once you open that, click on the menu icon at top right or bottom left. Click on the menu icon at top right or bottom right, depending on the device. So once you're on the Facebook menu page, click on your profile icon. Then here, you'll be taken to your Facebook profile. Now to delete, highlight on your Facebook page, you can just come down here where you see highlight. Click on the highlight you want to delete. Let's say this. Click on the three dots at top right. Then here, you can see delete feature collection. Or better still, click on edit public details. After that, scroll down the page until you get to highlight. Then click on edit. Then here, select the highlight. Then here, click on the highlight you want to delete. Then click on delete highlight. Once you tap delete highlight, you see that says delete featured collections. There will only be deleted from features. Then repeat the same thing on the highlight you want to delete. So you can use this to delete all your Facebook highlights step by step. So that is basically how to delete Facebook highlight. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.